Hey everyone, welcome to the site, and today we're going to go through a nice little tutorial on how to utilize the PDF builder with the topo maps. If you take a look here in the screen, I've actually got a sample of an incident where maybe a topo map would not cover an entire quad. Say you want to select an area such as this, and you're missing a space. We have this awesome tool built into the PDF builder for the subscribers, and I want to show you how to utilize that and get a full map, so that way you're not piecing this together such as back in the old days. This should save you a ton of time if you have to do this regularly. I know you won't always run into an instance like this, but when you do, this is here to help. Let's show you how it works. So we're going to save this item to the gallery. We're just going to call it topo test. And once we have that item saved, if we check out our gallery, you can see it here in the thumbnail. That's the one we are wanting to work with today. So if you're a subscriber and you have this feature, what you need to do is just click on the PDF button. It'll take you into our PDF builder. And as you can see, it says this page has missing sections. You can check this box so it doesn't continue to pop up. You may want to wait on doing that until you're familiar with the way this works. So just that way you still have a reminder. If not, check the box, it won't come back. When you get in here and look, you can see we still have that black area. What you can do is click in that black space and then find an alternate year to fill that space with. I like to try and stick to something that's the similar scale and usually within a year or two. For this particular instance, we're looking at 1960. We have a 1950, which looks like a very similar, if not identical, map. So most likely this was part of the same set of maps, just done in a different year. So if you click that, it fills that black space in. Now you have a full map. If you look down here, the bottom, as you can see, we have all the different quads that these come from. It actually lists the original source, and it lists the map that it came from, a 15-minute map, and when it was revised. So if you actually click on each of these, you'll see it'll highlight which section you're currently looking at. Obviously, if I'd check that box, that would be a lot less annoying right now, but you get the idea. So if you do that, say you've done that on the map, you now have one that you want to have printed off with the full coverage instead of partial and have to do it twice. Once you've got your map all situated, using this Topo Builder or PDF Builder, you can do the print download. And then we'll just go in, and I'm using the 1960 one. Even though we've added the 59, this is technically considered the 1960 piece. And we're going to check include and download image. As you can see down here, it downloads into a zip folder, and I'll open that zip folder up. And if we pull that up, you'll see our filled in map with all the quads. It looks like it's taking a second to load. Let me try and open that again. Wow, it's leaving it blank when I drag it in, but you get the idea. It fills it in for you, and if you don't want just the image, you can actually download this as a PDF as well. And again, we'll select include, download PDF, and you'll see down here that once that PDF is ready, I can click open, and there you go. You have it in a PDF format. So you can download these as either image files or in a PDF report style format. You can continue to do this for all of the years that you would like to create this map solution with the PDF builder, and then download those. The way to choose which ones you would like is obviously as you click through these, you'll just see different years pop up. Most of these are actually filled in for this area, but as you can see here, the 67 is not, and the 66 gets part of it. So just as you go through, figure out which ones you want to play with and which pieces you want to add. For the 1955, it looks like the closest thing I would have would be a 45. Not ideal, so maybe we'd want to do the 45 and the 46 in this instance. But you get the idea. You can then save those just by clicking the check include, whichever ones you modify and create and improve. You just use the include box and then either download the images or download a PDF version of that. It's pretty simple. There's also some other tools up here that you may want to familiarize yourself with, the annotation tools. We'll cover that in another video, um, and we'll probably do that in a video with the aerials. However, the concept will work the same. But as far as a PDF builder, fixing those topo maps, this is the way to go. It's so much faster than cutting and pasting all of these things together and trying to compile them into one screen with tape and print and scanning and printing again. So give this a shot. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out at support@historicaerials.com. That's the email that will come directly to us, and we can always give you some tips or pointers or give you a call and walk you through the process. Thanks for watching.